wire circuit, battery adapters, and motors, and propellers. First, peel out wires of adapter, and then soldering in advance to attaching the wires, like this. Keep soldering. Cheer up. Now we attach the wires of adapter for power supply. It's better put some solder on the wire as well. This guy is an accessory to light up the propellers with LED, so for that we do another soldering. Now we apply some electrical tape to prevent an accident when you check out the voltages from multimeters. Before we mount the motors, we will check the rotational direction to match the configuration from 픽스호크로. In order to use 픽스호크로, we have to ensure the direction of rotors, like this. Now it's time to mount the cameras and arms. In general, we use 4 bolts to attach a motor, but in my case, I use only 2, and the other 2 will be used when I fix the LED light, like this. There. Repeat 3 times more. Cheer up. In this way, we have mounted 4 motors on the arms. Now we do soldering to attach the wires of ESC to the circuit. Almost done. Okay, we are done. Next, we proceed to attach 픽스호크 on the body and we readjust the rotor section. Thank you for watching.